vlog.
Today we are interviewing a chicken with no name. If you watch this video, you can easily comment and leave a name for this chicken.
If we choose your name, we will subscribe to your channel as a prize. Go for it!
So, no name is facing the other way. Fantastic. Chicken. No, they're really soft. They're soft. So, no name. How has your week been? Stressful? Good? Oh, you've been silenced. Oh, really? Okay, that money got in the bank. That's very good. Would you mind not eating the food?
Let's just watch this chicken. Just watch that chicken.
This chicken wants to get in the bag for food.
That's so cute.
So the money got in the bag and that debt was cleared. Oh, that's very good. And you know the bunk beds for the children. Did they arrive today? No. Oh,
that's a shame.
Maybe they'll come tomorrow.
Never trust Amazon with postage.
It's free postage.
So yeah, speaking of the children, how is Melissa and Georgia?
Oh, Melissa left home. That's great news.
Oh, but Georgia's got into trouble in school. Well, that's just Georgia, isn't it?
Which one's Melissa and Georgia?
I don't know.
Right, and so how's your? Oh, you've been having more conflict with the rabbits. Well, we'll have a word. Oh, I see. Get your head out the food! Do you mind? We're trying to have an exclusive interview.
Well, can you hurry up because my diaper's getting weak.
Yeah. Stop it.
We're putting this to criminal record.
Yes. you will not be filmed tomorrow or next week or whatever.
You emptied the bag!
You emptied the goddamn bag! Right, you know what? I'm gonna go get that bag.